Hello everyone, welcome to the Power Electronics lecture series. I am Priya Chaudhary from Arya Group of College Jaipur. In this session, we are learning about Introduction to Power Electronics and Semiconductor Power Devices. Today's topic is Power Diode. Firstly, we will see the introduction of power electronics. Introduction to power electronics associate with three terms basically. First is electronics that deals with solid state devices and signal processing circuit. Second is power system. Power system deals with static and rotating power equipments. Third is control system. Control system deals with steady state and dynamic characteristics of closed loop systems. What is the power electronics? Power electronics is the subject concerning the application of principle of electronics of at high rated power level, not signal level. Basic electronic system concerned with transmission and processing of signal and data. Power electronics is a technology of conversion, control and conditioning of electric power into a desirable electrical output. Power electronic transport electricity over huge distance with minimum losses. This is the basic structure of power electronic system. Power electronics is used to control and conversion of electric power. Conversion is performed with semiconductor switching devices like diodes, thyristors and power transistor like power MOSFET and IGBT. Electronic power system rapid growth due to advance in power switches, advance in microelectronics like microcontroller, microprocessor and VLSI, new ideas in control algorithm and demand for new applications. Applications of power electronics. It plays main roles in industry, transportation, household applications, household appliances, aerospace, power supply and telecommunication. Topic is power diode. Main concept of the power diode is named same as conventional power PN junction diode. A diode conduct when anode voltage is higher than cathode voltage. Basics of power diode is in order to increase the power handling capacity, few changes are getting done in the structure of power diode. Power semiconductor diodes are used to perform various operations like rectification, freewheelings, energy feedback and etc. in power electronics application. Basically, power diode convert AC to DC. This process is called rectification. The voltage, current and power rating of power diode and transistor much higher than the rating of signal devices. But switching speed of power diode is lower than signal diodes and transistor. If cathode voltage is higher than anode voltage, the diode work as blocking mode. In this mode, diode work according to the reverse characteristics. This is the basic structure of power diode. It has three layers. Top layer heavily doped with P plus layer act as a anode and middle layer is lightly doped, that is N minus, is known as drift layer. Last layer is heavily doped N plus act as a cathode. Power diode finally p-n junction is formed by diffusing a heavily doped of p plus material which form as anode. N minus region is usually called drift region. It form main structure feature not found in low power diodes. The function of this region is to absorb depletion region of the reverse biased p-n junction. Depletion layer may become quite wide at large reverse voltage. The drift region establishes the value of reverse breakdown voltage. Large the cross sectional area, higher the current handling capacity, and larger the width of drift layer, higher the voltage handling capacity. This is the IV characteristics curve of power diode. Power diodes are available with current rating of 1 ampere to several thousands of ampere. The reverse characteristic consists forward bias, reverse bias, and in the forward bias characteristic of power diode is similar to simple, we can say simple power diode except cut in voltage VR. Forward current increase linearly. Forward current increase linearly with forward bias rather than exponentially as in low power diode. If cathode is positive with respect to anode, called reverse bias. In this condition, only extremely small reverse leakage current flow, and this current is independent of reverse voltage until reverse breakdown voltage is reached. Once breakdown occur, reverse voltage across the diode remain almost constant, but reverse current magnitude suddenly increase. Large reverse breakdown voltage leads to excessive power loss that may destroy the diode. In the reverse breakdown of power diode must be avoided by operating it below specific peak reverse voltage. This is the diode switching characteristics, or we can say reverse recovery characteristics. After the forward diode current decay to 0, diode continues to constant in reverse direction because of pressure of stored charge in depletion region and semiconductor layer. The reverse current flow for a time that is called reverse recovery time, that is TRR. TRR is shown in this diagram, that is equal to TA plus TB. TRR is equal to TA plus TB, where the TRR is time between instant forward diode current become to 0 and instant reverse recovery current decay to 25% of its reverse peak value IRR. Diode regain its blocking capability until reverse recovery current decay to 0, where TA is time between 0 crossing of forward current and peak reverse current IRR, and where TB is time measured from instant of reverse peak value IRR to instant when 25% or we can say 0.25 IRR is reached. During TB time period, charge from semiconductor layer is removed. where peak reverse current can be expressed as in a equation second, that is IRR equal to TA di upon dt, where di upon dt is rate of change of reverse current. QRR is reverse recovery charge. It is the amount of charge carriers that flows across the diode in reverse direction due to the change over from forward condition to reverse blocking condition. The value is determined from area enclosed by path of reverse recovery current. The charge QRR is equal to half of IRR TA plus half of IRR TB, that is equal to the half of IRR and TRR. TRR is equal to TA plus TB. Now it will be equal to the IRR equal to the 2QRR upon TRR. Put the value of these equation in one equation, we can find the charge and total time TRR. That will be TRR equal to root of 2QRR upon di upon dt, and peak reverse current can be expressed now as IRR equal to root of 2QRR di upon dt. That is all about the power diode. In the next video lecture, we will discuss next topic, that is diode and triode and its characteristics. Thank you.